Hey folks, thanks for tuning in today for another quick video, hopefully. So, if you've been around the channel for any number of years, I'm a big proponent of everyday carry first aid, having some type of first aid trauma stuff with you every day on your person, because you never know when you're going to be faced with that situation where you might need some type of trauma gear. Unfortunately nowadays, given the active shooter things that, happen nowadays, you never know, or, you could be out in the woods, you could be just driving down the road, getting a car wreck, or, you never know when you might need some type of trauma gear or first aid gear with you. So, like I said, I'm a big proponent of carrying that stuff with you, and throughout the years I've showed several different kits and stuff that are small that you can carry with you. One thing that I haven't showed, though, is an ankle kit. Now, I've been looking for an ankle kit to put together for a long time, and Lynx Defense actually sent out this ankle kit for me to check out. This is their ankle medical kit, again from Lynx Defense. They're out of North Carolina, so that's what we're going to do today. So stay with me. My name's Chris. You're watching Skills to Survive. We'll be right back. Alright folks, welcome back. So, like I said, let's take a look at this ankle medical kit by a company called Lynx Defense. Again, they're here in the United States, here in North Carolina, or over in North Carolina, I should say. And so this is the ankle medical kit. Now, what I like about this kit is several things. One, it's affordable. Two, it's comfortable. And three, it doesn't come with any of the contents. So some of you may be thinking, well, I really want something with contents. Well, there's other kits out there that come with contents. I like the fact that I can put my own stuff in here, and that's what I like about it. And again, it's affordable. So, and it's your, kind of go over it really quick here, and you have a very large Velcro field here that wraps around your ankle, and you have this nice rubbery type of rubber type material here that really grabs onto your sock or to your ankle, and it doesn't slide up and down, which is nice. I really like that feature a lot. It gives it nice, good, comfortable fit. Now, you can really load this thing out. If you want to load this kit up, you can really load it up. But bear in mind, when you do that, it's going to bulk out around your ankle. So you're not going to have, it's not going to be that comfortable. So I kind of got this thing loaded up, I think, how it should be. Could probably add one or two more things. I'm not quite sure yet. But let's kind of take a look at the contents. So right here, as you can see, you have a elastic band here, and all I have in there is just some gloves, because your gloves are going to be kind of the first thing you're going to grab. The next pocket here, elastic pocket here, is for a soft tee tourniquet. As you can tell, I do have my soft tee tourniquet in there. And then you have two larger pockets that are Velcroed on the top. They kind of open. So first pocket here, you open up, and I just have some quick clot rolled gauze there, and then I have one of the H&H tack gauze for packing the wound. Pack the wound, stop the bleed. So kind of the first thing I'm going to grab is my gloves, my tourniquet, then something to pack the wound if I need to do that, or maybe I don't need the tourniquet, maybe I just need to stop the bleeding. So then over here in this other pocket, open it up, and what I got over there is just one of the H&H mini compression bandages. Now, I chose this because it's so thin. It's, I don't even know, probably a little more than 1/4 of an inch thick. And I really wanted a compression bandage in here because, like I said in previous videos, you don't always need a tourniquet for every situation. And then you don't always need a compression for every situation. You might need a tourniquet, vice versa. So I really wanted some type of compression bandage in here, and I looked around and I found this one. So this is really nice. Very small, again, compact. The only thing that I might put in here is a set of the Hyphen compact chest seals. I may go ahead and put a set of those in here, just to have some chest seals in here, just in case for a gunshot wound or something like that. But that's pretty much it. And what I like about this kit too is you can see as I'm pulling on the flap here, you can kind of see right down here, it kind of moves. So if you have stuff packed in here that won't come out, and you need this stuff to come out in an emergency or very quick, you just pull up on the flap, and it kind of pushes it up a little bit for you, so you can give it, you can grab it. So again, I really like this kit, and again, it's very affordable. I think it's only like $30, so it's very affordable. And I'll leave a link down below where you can go to Lynx Defense and check them out. I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that, so I don't get any money if you buy it or not. I just think it's a good kit for you, and I like showing you these kits, especially since it comes unloaded and you can kind of load it up how you want to, load it up. Now, I've carried this kit both, obviously everyday carry for just regular jeans and stuff like that, but I also carry it when I go to work, which I really like too, because now I can have a kit on my person in my dress clothes, when I go to work. And nobody knows that the kit is there, which is another good thing. Nobody really looks at people's ankles or looks at people's feet. So nobody knows it's really there, and it fits comfortably again. So as long as you don't wear skinny jeans or real tight boot cut type jeans, you're going to be able to get this wrapped around your ankle in your jeans or your pants and stuff like that over the kit with no problem, provided again you don't load it up a whole lot. And that's one of the things I've tried not to do, is overload it. Now I thought about taking the soft T tourniquet out and just putting a SWAT T tourniquet in. That would flatten this down just a little bit so it's not sticking out right here, but I'd have to put that, the SWAT T over here or something. So I don't know, I'm still messing with it, but so far I really like this setup, because I have a good soft T tourniquet, and again I have the quick clot, compression bandage, and then the tack gauze. So, and again, there's still room for other stuff. So anyway, go over there, check them out, folks. lynxdefense.com. I'll put a link again down below. So thanks for watching. Do you carry an EDC first aid with you every day, or not, or what are your thoughts on it? And put your comments down below. And until I see you in another video, always remember your PPE, plan, prepare, and exercise, get outside, get trained, and I'll see you in another video real soon. Thanks again for watching.